Yeah, we are posting some quadratic function lately for the older kids. Today we are going to do something more basic. So it's factoring trinomial. Yeah, I got younger student as well. So factoring trinomial, first of all, trinomial means try is three. So we are going to factorize a term with three expression with three terms. All right, but then before we look at it, we will usually try if it's work for perfect square as well. So I see the first one is a square. Okay, is this one a square number? If it is, we will consider the perfect square first because it's easier. All right, now things doesn't work out fine, so we will have two methods to do it. So one of them is the cross method. Can't spell method. All right, there's a very systematic way. So we think of what could we get to the product of the first and the last one. So we have the x and x to give me x squared. And then we have 7 and 3 to give me 21 because it's only factor there. And it's a negative. So we have to have one of them a negative. So I just generally make it. So cross, here's come the cross. This is the cross method. So negative 7x plus 3x equals to negative 4x. All right, number-wise, it's okay, but the symbol is wrong. The symbol is wrong means that it is not a match. We have to cross that out. So there's another cross there. All right, when we're going to retry another match. So we have x times x equals to x squared. 7 and 3 is always there. This time, let's try the negative at 3. All right, so we will have 7x plus negative 3x. That gives us 4x. This time, it is a match. It's positive. So let me copy the question, make it look nicely. Equals to horizontally official x plus 7 and x minus 3. This is how we use the cross method. We cross multiply to get the sum to get those. All right, the other method, which is a bit another kind of, I don't know how you do it, but then how you say it, but then it was pretty okay to me. And some of my students just like that as well. So I would call that the sum, and not I call it, it's called the sum and product method. It will yield you the same results, but just the thinking is like thinking out loud there. So we have x squared plus 4x minus 21. We need to think of two numbers. All right, the x squared is there, so we can okay. So we need to think of two numbers. Let's say p and q. We want the sum and product. So we want p plus q have to be equals to positive x, positive 4, and p times q should be equals to negative 21. So this is what we need to think. So then we think of like, 7 and 3 give us 4, so it have to be minus positive. And then 7 times negative 3 give us negative 21. Now we find our p and q. So that now we're going to split the 4x into p and q there. So p equals to 7, q equals to negative 3. Come here. Right? So now we're going to split the term. So x squared is still here. Negative 21 is still here. We're splitting this. So we make it become 7x minus 3x. So this is a transformer coming back, bumblebee, whatever. So they transform the 4x into 7x and negative 3x. The value doesn't change, the look change. Now we do our grouping terms. So we have x, for this bit, we have x plus 7 as the common factor. And then this side, we have minus x, we got x plus 7 there. So we do another transform. Now both of them have a common factor, so we could take that out and left over. This is the sum and product method. I hope this helped with your thinking. I'm pretty good with cross method. All right, thanks for joining us. Until next video.